Hello, welcome back. Today's lesson we will continue with the reading we did yesterday. So first of all, open your book. Make sure you have your book with you. If not, pause the video and go to get it. When you're ready, let's begin. Okay, so extreme jobs again. So we'll check the answers from yesterday's reading and review the topic. Now, please open your book on page 23. You will recognize page 23 from yesterday's class. Title is Extreme Jobs. Okay, and there is some reading activities we did yesterday together. Picture of Wang Yaping, who is a second Chinese woman to travel to space. She is an astronaut. Now, please turn to page 24, where we will check yesterday's homework answers. So, page 24. First of all, I ask you to complete part A, which are these 5 questions. They are multiple choice, so you always have to choose A, B, or C. Now we'll check the answers. So you need a pen. Make sure you're ready to check your book. You can tick if you're correct or cross if you're not correct. Now, part A, number 1. We did this one yesterday as an example, but we will check it again now. So, which of the following statements about Belle is not true? She found Titanic with Ballard. She likes adventures. She thinks exploration is exciting. Okay. Now, Belle. So we need to read about Katie Croft Bell. This is the first half of the reading, which is about her. Do you remember yesterday we talked about how Robert Ballard was the oceanographer who found Titanic in 1985. But Katie Croft Bell didn't find the Titanic, but she works with him. But she does think that exploration is exciting, and she likes extremes and doesn't complain about being on a ship for a long time. So she likes adventures. The answer was A. Okay. Number 2, what does the word typically mean? It's in line 4. Always, without stopping, usually. There it is, typically. We typically work day and night with very little sleep, but Belle isn't complaining. What do you think, A, B, or C? The answer is C. Typically means usually. So she's saying, we usually work day and night with very little sleep. Okay. So not always, but usually they work long hours. Answer C. Number 3. Belle chose ocean exploration as a career because she A. thought it was exciting. B. wanted to change her life. C. wanted to find Titanic. What do you think? Why did she choose ocean exploration as a career? Let's have a look. So, she hopes to use the excitement of exploration to inspire a new generation. Is that why she chose ocean exploration as her career? Or do you think she wanted to change her life? No, here it says, my first seagoing experience changed my life. Okay, so when she went on a boat in the sea for the first time, that changed her life. But she didn't become an oceanographer to change her life. Her life had already been changed by her first seagoing experience. It says that changed my life. Okay. So she wants to use the excitement of exploration to inspire other people. And she thought that ocean exploration was exciting. So answer A. Remember, answer C, she wanted to find Titanic? No, Robert Ballard found the Titanic in 1985. Katie Croft Bell didn't go on a boat till 1999. Okay, so she thought it was exciting. Okay, question 4. Which statement about Wang is true? A. She spent over 2 months in space. B. She taught physics from space. C. She is the first Chinese woman to travel to space. What do you think is the correct answer? Which sentence is true? Let's have a look. So what does this say? Wang became the second Chinese woman to travel to space. Look at part C. She is the first Chinese woman to travel to space. So is this true? No, not true, because this one, she became the second, not the first. So C, not true. She taught a physics class to Chinese students. Look at B. She taught physics from space. Is that true? Yes, maybe. The last one. She spent more than 2 weeks in space. This one, over 2 months. So that's not true, which means part B is the correct answer. Sentence B is true. Well done if you were correct. And finally, part 5, question 5. What inspired Wang to become an astronaut? Taking a physics class, learning the importance of teamwork, or seeing China's first astronaut in space on TV? Let's have a look. Now, this one, you need to read this paragraph, the last paragraph. Wang remembers how she felt when the first Chinese astronaut went into space 10 years before her. She was watching it on TV. I was so proud and also very excited. But as I watched it, it occurred to me, we have male pilots and female pilots, and then a male astronaut. When will there be a female astronaut? And today it's me becoming one of the first few. So answer C, seeing China's first astronaut in space on TV inspired her to become an astronaut. After she saw that, she wanted to go to space and be an astronaut herself. Well done, you got that correct. Now time to check the answers for part B. This one you need to write B, W, or both for each sentence. B for Bell, W for Wang. Number 1, has an exciting job. Which one of them has an exciting job? Now, we did this last lesson, so we will check again. Bell says, I hope to use the excitement of exploration to inspire a new generation of young explorers. So, Bell has an exciting job. What about Wang? I was so proud and also very excited. So Wang has an exciting job. So number 1, BW. Number 2, explores the deepest oceans. Explores the deepest oceans. Which person explores the deepest oceans? Katie Croft Bell likes extremes. As an oceanographer, she often explores the deepest part of the ocean. So B, Bell. Does Wang explore the deepest oceans? No. She is an astronaut. She goes to space, not to the ocean. Number 3, can spend months on a research ship at one time. Okay. Let's have a look. Katie Croft Bell can sometimes spend weeks or months on a research ship. So B for Belle. Does Wang work on research ships? No, she works on a spaceship, not a research ship in the ocean. So only B for number 3. Number 4, has a job that lets her travel. Katie Croft Bell. So this is about her. Together they explore the most remote parts of our planet. So they explore all over the planet. Remote parts means places far away that not many people go to. So B for Bell. What about Wang? Wang Yaping has a job that lets her travel. So W. Number 4, BW. Number 5, underwent 3 years of training. Okay, which one? Wang had to go through an intense 3-year training to prepare for life in space. So number 5 is W. And number 6, uses technology to teach students. Which one? Bell uses the latest video technology and deep sea robotic vehicles to connect with hundreds of scientists and students all over the world. B. What about Wang? Wang Yaping. She taught physics class to Chinese students in real time by a live TV broadcast. So that is technology, TV broadcast. So W. Number 6, B and W. Okay. That is the end of the video. If you need to check your answers again or you didn't see all the answers, rewind and check again. I'll be back tomorrow, so look out for tomorrow's lesson. Have a great day today and see you again soon. Goodbye.